Hey everyone, welcome to our LottieFiles for Framer certification on creating and implementing Lottie animations inside Framer. I'm Jesse Showalter, and in this course, I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating Lottie animations using Figma and Lottie Creator. Then we'll dive into seamlessly integrating these animations into your Framer projects and adding interactivity to elevate the user experience on your website. At the end, you can test your knowledge with a quiz and earn a certification to showcase your newly acquired skills. Get ready to bring your web designs to life with Lottie animations. In this video, we'll import the design that we created in Figma into Framer. We'll launch the LottieFiles plugin and we'll explore everything that it can do. Let's start by opening the LottieFiles plugin. Head over to the Plugins menu, search for LottieFiles, and hit Enter to launch it. Now, before we dive in, we'll import our designs from Figma using the Figma to HTML Framer plugin. This plugin makes it super easy to bring your design straight from Figma into Framer with all the layers intact. With our designs ready, let's explore the LottieFiles plugin. In the Discovery tab, you'll find a huge library of ready-to-use Lottie animations. If you have something specific in mind, just type it into the search bar and choose the one that you like. To customize the animation to match your site's color palette, click on the Color Palette button. You can either choose from preset palettes or create your own. Once you're happy with your animation, save your animation to insert it. Now just click on Insert Animation. And a .lottie animation file is inserted into your Framer project. We'll be talking a bit more about the .lottie animation format and its advantages in the following video. Now it's time to insert the animations that we created in our previous lessons into our Framer project. Head over to the Workspace tab, open the folder where you've saved your animations, select one that you want and click Insert Animation. Adjust the size and position to match your design. Set the position to absolute. I'll explain why in just a little bit. Now let's explore some of the options available for the .lottie player that'll give us more control over our animation. With your animation selected, you'll find all the related settings in the right side panel. Toggle the loop button to yes so your animation plays continuously. You can also adjust the background color, play mode, and speed settings as needed. Let's proceed to fill the rest of the site with your Lottie animations. Let's quickly look at various positions that you can set your animations to and how they impact the layout. Let's start with relative. When we set our animation to relative, it means the position of our animation is relative to its parent stack. You can also play around with the stack properties like direction, distribution, alignment, padding, and many more from here. However, if this animation were set to absolute, you can move it around freely without affecting any other elements. We're going to use this kind of positioning for our hero animation here, as we want to add parallax effect and have the bicycle animation respond to cursor movement. Set the z-index value to stack your animation correctly. The z-index value controls the stack order of an element. Elements with a higher z-index value on top of those with a lower index value. When you set an element to sticky in Framer, it scrolls normally until it reaches a certain point, like the top of its container. Once it hits that spot, it sticks in place, staying visible as you scroll. This is great for keeping important info like menus always accessible. However, for sticky to work, make sure that all its parent containers have overflow set to visible. If you set an animation to fixed, it means it will stay in position irrespective of your scroll. This type of positioning is great for page load animations. And that's it. This is all you need to know to add Lottie animations perfectly in your design. In this course, I'll teach you how to bring animations into interactive websites, no coding required. You'll learn to create engaging, interactive web experiences. So if you're ready to sharpen your skills and stand out as a certified pro, tap the link and let's get started.